Pi Network is new and exciting. People are joining every day. They hope to strike it rich. Could Pi be the next Bitcoin?
Many are drawn to Pi's accessibility. Mining on your phone is easy. You don't need special equipment. This attracts newcomers. But be careful. Excitement can lead to mistakes. The cryptocurrency world is full of risks, especially for beginners. Before you sell your Pi, you need to understand something. There are powerful players in this world. They are called whales.
Whales are not fish. They are majestic creatures of the ocean, known for their immense size and power. But in the crypto world, the term whale takes on a different meaning. In the crypto world, they are giants. These whales hold vast amounts of cryptocurrency, often enough to influence the market with their trades. Just like their oceanic counterparts, crypto whales can make waves that affect everyone around them. They hold huge amounts of cryptocurrency. This gives them the power to manipulate prices, creating opportunities for themselves while potentially causing losses for smaller investors. Their actions can be unpredictable and swift. Like whales in the ocean, they are big and powerful. Their movements can be graceful yet forceful, and their presence in the market is always felt. They can create ripples that turn into waves, impacting the entire ecosystem.
Whales can influence the market. Their large trades can cause significant price fluctuations, leading to volatility that can be both an opportunity and a risk for other traders. They can make prices go up or down. By buying or selling large amounts of cryptocurrency, they can create trends that others follow, often leading to a herd mentality in the market. They have the power to manipulate the market. This manipulation can be subtle or overt, but the impact is always significant. Smaller investors need to be aware of these dynamics to protect their investments. They can exploit those who are not careful. Newcomers to the crypto market are particularly vulnerable as they may not recognize the signs of whale activity and can be caught off guard by sudden market shifts. Don't be fooled by their size. While they may seem like benevolent giants, their primary goal is to maximize their own profits, often at the expense of smaller traders. Whales are not your friends. They operate with their own interests in mind, and their actions can have serious consequences for the market and for individual investors. They are looking out for themselves. Their strategies are designed to take advantage of market conditions and other traders, often leading to significant gains for them and losses for others. They will profit at your expense. Newcomers are easy targets. They lack experience and may not have the knowledge to navigate the complexities of the market, making them susceptible to whale tactics. They are driven by emotion. Fear and greed are powerful motivators, and whales are adept at using these emotions to their advantage, creating panic or euphoria in the market as it suits their needs. This makes them vulnerable to whale tactics. Understanding the behavior of whales and recognizing their influence can help smaller investors make more informed decisions and avoid being caught in the undertow of their movements.
Whales use clever tactics. These tactics are designed to manipulate the market and take advantage of unsuspecting investors. They operate in the shadows, using their vast resources to influence prices and create opportunities for themselves at the expense of others. They want to trick you into selling your Pi. By creating a sense of urgency or fear, they can make you believe that selling is your best option. They might spread rumors or false information to make you doubt the value of your investment. They will try to buy your coins for cheap. Once they have convinced enough people to sell, they swoop in and purchase large quantities at a low price. This allows them to accumulate a significant amount of coins without spending much money. Then they will sell them for a huge profit. After buying low, they wait for the right moment to sell high. This could be when the market recovers, or when they have successfully manipulated the price upwards.
One tactic is called pump and dump. This is a classic strategy used by market manipulators to create artificial price movements. They start by buying a large amount of a particular asset, which causes the price to rise. Whales will artificially inflate the price. They use their significant buying power to drive up the price, creating the illusion of a strong market. This attracts other investors who don't want to miss out on the rising prices. They will spread hype and excitement. Through social media, forums, and other channels, they generate buzz and excitement about the asset. This further drives up the price as more and more people buy in. This will attract new buyers. The hype and rising prices create a fear of missing out, or FOMO, which compels new investors to buy in at higher prices. When the price is high enough, they sell. The manipulators then sell off their holdings at the inflated prices, making a substantial profit. This sudden sell-off causes the price to plummet. They dump their coins on the market. The rapid selling floods the market with supply, which drives the price down quickly. Those who bought in at the higher prices are left with significant losses. This causes the price to crash. The market correction can be severe, wiping out the gains made by latecomers and causing widespread financial pain. Many people lose their money. The manipulators walk away with their profits while ordinary investors are left to deal with the aftermath of the crash.
Another tactic is FUD. This stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It's a psychological strategy used to create negative sentiment around an asset. It stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Whales spread negative news. They might release false or misleading information to create a sense of panic among investors. They create panic and fear. By making investors worry about the future of their investment, they can drive the price down as people rush to sell. They want you to sell your coins at a low price. The goal is to buy up these coins at a discount, taking advantage of the fear they have created. They know that fear can make people act irrationally. When people are scared, they are more likely to make hasty decisions that they wouldn't normally make. Don't fall for their tricks. Stay informed and make decisions based on solid research and analysis, not on fear or hype.
Imagine a balloon. Whales pump it full of air. The air is like hype. The balloon gets bigger and bigger. The price goes up.
People get excited. They see the price rising. They think they will miss out. They buy more coins. But the balloon is about to burst. The whales are ready to dump their coins. The price crashes down. The balloon deflates. Many people are left holding worthless coins. They bought high and sold low. The whales made a huge profit. Section 5. Spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt, often referred to as FUD. This tactic is commonly used in various industries, especially in the world of finance and technology, to manipulate public perception and behavior.
Whales use social media platforms extensively to spread their messages. They craft posts and comments that are designed to evoke strong emotional reactions from the audience.
They spread rumors and lies, often targeting specific communities or groups to maximize the impact of their misinformation.
They want to create fear and doubt in the minds of the public. By doing so, they can influence market trends and sway public opinion to their advantage.
They might say Pi is a scam, or that the technology behind it is flawed. These statements are often baseless but can cause significant damage if believed.
They might say the project is dead, or that the developers have abandoned it. Such claims are designed to erode trust and confidence.
They might say the price will go to zero, causing panic among investors and users. This fear can lead to hasty decisions and financial losses.
Don't believe everything you read online. It's crucial to approach such information with a critical mind and not let emotions take over.
Do your own research. Verify the information from multiple reliable sources before forming an opinion or making a decision.
Check your sources. Ensure that the information you are consuming comes from credible and trustworthy outlets.
Don't let fear cloud your judgment. Take a step back, breathe, and assess the situation calmly and rationally.
Remember, whales are masters of manipulation. They have the resources and the knowledge to influence markets and public opinion.
They are skilled at playing with your emotions, making you feel anxious, fearful, or uncertain. Recognize these tactics and stay vigilant.
Stay informed and stay calm. Knowledge and awareness are your best defenses against FUD. Stay grounded and make decisions based on facts, not fear.
Section 6. The importance of patience and holding. The Pi network is still young. The project is still under development. The value of Pi has not yet been established.
Don't be in a hurry to sell your coins. Wait for the network to mature. Wait for the price to stabilize. Patience is key in the crypto world. Those who hold for the long term often see the greatest rewards. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful cryptocurrency.
Section 7. Learning from history, avoiding past mistakes. We have seen this before. Other cryptocurrencies have gone through similar phases. Whales have used the same tactics.
Remember the Bitcoin bubble of 2017? The price skyrocketed, then it crashed. Many people lost money. Don't repeat the mistakes of the past. Learn from history. Don't fall for the same tricks. Hold on to your Pi and wait for its true potential to be realized.
Section 8. Protect your investment. Stay informed and vigilant. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about cryptocurrency. Understand the risks. Learn how to identify scams.
Join Pi Network communities. Engage in discussions. Ask questions. Share your knowledge. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. There are no shortcuts in the crypto world. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, your Pi coins are valuable. Protect them from those who seek to exploit you.
Section 9. The Future of Pi Network. A call for collective wisdom. The future of Pi Network is in our hands. We, the pioneers, must work together. We must resist manipulation.
Let's build a strong and sustainable ecosystem. Let's create a future where Pi reaches its full potential. Don't let the whales win. Hold on to your coins. Spread awareness. Together, we can make Pi Network a success.